In this video I am going to tell you how to rotate an object around the circle, or you could say how to use the rotate tool in Illustrator. So without further waiting, let's start it. First, what we have to do, we have to take any shape. You can take rectangle tool, you can take round shape, ellipse tool, whatever you want to take it, you can take it. Here first I am going to take a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle of any size. It's totally up to you, there is no hard and fast rule for that. And then what we have to do, let me put the swatches panel here first. If you are not able to see the swatches panel here, go to Windows and then little bit scroll down and you will able to see the swatches option, and here is our swatches option. And then let me change the color first, and our and what we have to do, you can see this is a box. And then what we have to do, take a rotate tool, or you can say make sure that this box has been selected while you taking rotate tool. And then what we have to do, this is the first way, I will tell you another way as well. And then what we have to do, press this one here in the center of this, and then click on this box and press alt and take a copy of this like this. And then distance should be in between 40 or 30, in between 40 to 30. And then you can see I take a copy of it. And then what we have to do, we have to press Ctrl D like this, and you will able to see the different copy. But here is one thing, you can see it, everything is perfect, but when we focus on this step, this space and this space is not the same. So for that, what we have to do, there is another way to make sure that all the sizes are same and correct. So we will follow the another way. For that, what we have to do, again take a rectangle tool here and then draw a rectangle like this. And then what we have to do, you can select any color, there is no hard and fast rule. Here I am taking orange color, and then close the outline. And then what we have to do, make sure this box has been selected and take a rectangle rotate tool from the tool panels and click on the center of this. And then after that, what we have to do, press alt and click in this point of rotate, click here, and you will be able to see this option. I'm going to select the 30 option and copy, and then like this is fine because I have selected the same setting. 30 looks totally perfect. This is how you can change the value and find the perfect result without making any mistake. And now it's time to make another design with the help of this rotate tool. Okay, this time let me put this here in the corner here. And now again take a rectangle tool, and this time draw a rectangle like this. This one is perfect. And select any color you want and change into fill and close it. And then select the rotate tool here and make sure it's selected, and select the rotate tool and click here. And then what we have to do, press alt and click here. And then this time value should be 20 or any value. You have to make some changes or make some experiment to find the right value, and press copy, and this is it. And then what we have to do, Ctrl plus D like this. You can see this is the beautiful flower we just made it. And then what we have to do, this time let me add some more things here. Let me add the circle here according to the size of this, like this, and put it into the center like this, little bit up and increase it more. I think little bit more. Yeah, this one is totally perfect. And if you want to change the color of it, you can change that the color as well, or even if you want to give the stroke here as well. This looks totally perfect, but here what we have to do is always that we have, when we give stroke, make sure that we have expand our design like this, and fill and stroke should be selected like this. And what will happen when we decrease or adjust the size of our design, it will remain the same. You can see it, stroke is remain the same like this, and don't forget to group it. This is the way, and by using rotate tool you can make so many designs without making any mistakes or without making any changes here. So hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video as much as you can. Bye.